Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to be discussing 10 side hustles that you can start today. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or you're looking to completely change careers, these side hustles are a great way to get started. Before we dive into the list, it is important to note that starting a side hustle isn't always easy. It takes time, effort, and dedication to get your business off the ground. However, the rewards of having your own business and being your own boss can be well worth the initial investment. Now let's get started into the list of side hustles that you can start today. Freelance work. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer your services as a freelancer. This can be anything from writing and editing to graphic design and web development. There are tons of websites out there, such as Upwork and Fiverr, where you can help connect with clients. The great thing about freelance work is that you can choose your own clients and projects, and you can work from anywhere. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. Sell products online. If you're good at making or sourcing products, you can start an e-commerce business. There are tons of platforms out there that can help get you started, such as Etsy, eBay, and Amazon. You can sell just about anything online, from handmade crafts and vintage items to branded merchandise and digital products. The key to success in e-commerce is to find a niche market and offer products that are high quality and unique. Another form of this could be dropshipping. Offer services. If you have a particular talent or skill, you can offer this as a service. This could be anything from tutoring, teaching, to pet sitting and dog walking. There is a ton of people out there who are willing to pay for services that make their lives easier or more enjoyable. The key is to find a service that you're passionate about and that you can offer at a competitive price. Rent out a spare room in your home. If you have an extra room or a vacation home, you can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb. This is a great way to make extra money on the side while also meeting new people. Airbnb has made it easier than ever for people to find and book unique accommodations around the world. All you need is a clean and comfortable space to offer, and you can start making money from your home. Become an Uber or Lyft driver. If you have a car and some extra time on your hands, you can sign up to be a driver for Uber or Lyft. This is a flexible way to make extra money on your own schedule. All you need is a reliable car and a clean driving record. You can choose when and where you want to work, and you can earn money by giving people rides to their destination. You could even work for Deliveroo or Uber Eats if you don't want to have face-to-face contact with people. Selling items on Facebook Marketplace. If you have items that you no longer need or want, you can sell them on Facebook Marketplace. This is a great way to get rid of clutter and make some extra cash. Facebook Marketplace is a platform that connects buyers and sellers in the same community, and it's free to use. All you need to do is create a listing for your items and wait for someone to make an offer. Do odd jobs for people. If you're handy and have a variety of skills, you can offer to do odd jobs for people in your community. This could be anything from mowing lawns and shoveling snow to fixing fences and assembling furniture. There are always people out there who need help with something which you may be able to do. Teach a class or workshop. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can offer to teach a class or workshop. This could be anything from cooking and gardening to art and music. There are a ton of people out there who are interested in learning new skills and hobbies, and they are willing to pay for quality instruction. You can teach classes in person or online and can set it on your own schedule and prices. Rent out your car. If you have a car that you don't use all the time, you can rent it out on platforms like Turo. This is a great way to make extra money while also helping out people who need a car for a short period of time. Turo is a peer-to-peer car rental platform that allows you to rent out your car to travelers or locals when you're not using it. All you need to do is sign up, list your car, and wait for someone to book it. Participate in paid focus groups. If you enjoy sharing your opinions, you can sign up to participate in paid focus groups. These groups are usually held in person or online, and you can make money for sharing your thoughts and opinions on a variety of topics. Companies and organizations use focus groups to gather feedback on their new products or services, and they're willing to pay for your insights. You can find focus groups through market research firms or by searching online for opportunities. So there you have it, 10 side hustles that you can start today. Whether you're looking to make a little extra cash on the side or you're looking to completely change careers, these side hustles are a great way to get started. Remember, starting a side hustle takes time and effort, but the rewards of being your own boss and building your own business can be well worth it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.